Hey everyone, I am Arthur from UKG Mango. Today we celebrate very personal day. It's a World Nature Conservation Day. Nature gives us trees, animals, water and air. We must take care of them with love and care. Let's learn how to save nature and keep our earth clean and green. Reduce the waste, reuse again for every breath, for every future. Let's act as one and save our nature. Let's save the animals, big and small. They need our help. We can protect them with love and care and show them kindness everywhere. Water so life, water is precious. Don't let it drip. You need water, drink and play. Let's save it every thank you. Switch off the light when it's really bright. Turn off the fan. Save the energy if you can.